Boil a banana, drink the water before bed and see what happens to your sleep. We've all had those restless nights of tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, unable to get more than a couple of hours of shut-eye. The more you worry about not sleeping, the more your mind races, and next thing you know, the sun is peeking through the window. I've spent one too many nights this way and needed to put an end to my poor sleeping patterns. I came across this delicious tea recipe and it improved my cycle completely. Irregular sleeping patterns or even insomnia can stem from several different things like depression, stress, and anxiety. Almost every night, I would get into bed and my mind would be racing. Whether I was thinking about work, family, or simply the things I needed to get done the next day, I just couldn't allow myself to relax. If your mind is active, chances are you won't fall asleep. Certain medications can also cause insomnia. Pain medications, antihistamines, and heart and blood pressure medicines are among the many that contribute to sleep loss. Yes, some meds might actually make you drowsy at first, but they can also trigger frequent bathroom trips or anxiety, which can further disturb your rest. Whether it's one of these issues or maybe it's that you're addicted to your phone when you should be sleeping, something needs to change. The easiest thing to do is to grab a sleeping pill, but is that a good solution? It may work short term, but in the long term, you are hindering your body's health and natural abilities. Sleeping pills have known side effects such as dizziness, constipation, stomach pain, difficulty focusing, memory problems, and harm to the central nervous system. However, sleep is of utmost importance for our overall health and normal functions, so its deprivation leads to numerous health issues. Impaired cognitive functions, poor immune system, energy drops, reduced motor skills, and an increased risk of diseases and health conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and obesity. Therefore, the 8-hour sleep is a must and you should try all means to ensure it every night in order to enhance your health. On the other hand, sleeping pills are not the best solution as they cause numerous severe side effects. Yet, you can successfully restore your sleep completely naturally, with the help of this amazing banana cinnamon tea. Bananas are incredibly healthy fruits, which are high in nutrients, like magnesium, and potassium. Their peels are even more abundant in these minerals. Magnesium provides relaxation and soothes muscle cramps which lead to pain and aches. It is the first mineral that is depleted from the body due to stress. On the other hand, both of them are beneficial for the nervous system. Also, cinnamon regulates the blood sugar levels, and their balance supports the function of the hormones and ensures better sleep. The hormonal disbalance also caused fatigue during the day and may make you feel energetic during the night, so you won't be able to fall asleep. Therefore, by combining the properties of bananas and cinnamon, you can effectively treat insomnia. This is how to prepare this amazing natural sleep remedy. Ingredients: 1 organic banana unpeeled, a sprinkle of cinnamon, 1 small pot of water. Instructions: initially, cut off the ends of the banana and put it in a pot with boiling water. Boil the banana for 10 minutes, and then add the cinnamon. You can sweeten the drink with stevia, which will also regulate the blood sugar levels. Drink this natural remedy before bedtime and enjoy your sleep. You can eat the boiled banana with cinnamon the next day, as we recommend that you do not consume food right before bedtime. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.